Hello everyone, welcome back to Ed's Metalworks. Got a little project I thought I'd bring you along on today. I'll show you what we got. We got these sprockets. This is off of a lawn aerator of some kind. I don't know what the machine really looks like, but anyway, this here is a brand new one. They go, let me set you down here and I'll put one. They go in this framework. There's a sleeve inside here, so they're kind of tough to get lined up sometimes, but maybe. There we go. Anyway, they go in this framework like this, and I don't know what goes on this end of it. It's maybe another sprocket or gear or something, but it's got a keyway and 5/8 18 threads on it. But like I said, that's a brand new one. These are a little over $100, I guess, from the factory. And this is what we he has trouble with. This one here, it stripped the threads off of this end. How, I don't know. But this shaft is also worn down pretty good here for bearing fit. This one here, it's been hogged on one time already for a broken weld, which is what the one I'm currently working on was what happened to it. But this also, the shaft is bad, as you can see. But anyway, we got 4 of these. One of them's in my lathe. Take it over here and show you what we got. This one, the shaft is good, but the weld broke on this end. So what I did is I took and turned all the old weld off of there, so we can get down to fresh meat on the shaft and the sprocket also. But I had to make this little drive dog here to keep the sprocket turning with the shaft. 2 set screws in it. It's the only thing about it. The set screws have marked the shaft up a little bit. We'll polish that up, but we're going to pull this one out of the lathe and see if we can get that one welded up, and then this one will be ready to go also. All right, we got the one where we turn the weld off of. What we're going to do is check this distance compared to the new one, and then we'll set it up in the welding fixture. What kind of distance we got here? Just to the shoulder. I think this is shouldered here. At least it's a smaller shaft coming out there, so I think we're good to go. 5.32. 5.34. That's plenty close enough. So let's get it set up in our welding fixture here. What I'll do, I'm going to put a collar on here so that I can make sure it is up against that shoulder when I put it in my little welding deal here. So we're not in other words, I can press down on the sprocket and not be moving the shaft out of it or anything. All right, let me see if I can get this set up on here. This is an old cheap drill press table one of them Taiwan drill press tables. I keep it around for, I don't know, comes in handy for a few little things here and there. There, we got the shaft supported now, and we're pushing the sprocket down onto that shoulder. So we're going to fire up the welder and see if we can make us pass around there. Get you guys set up a little bit of an event or a view here, maybe. The plan is to try to rotate this around while I steady my hand on here and make a nice pass around there. That's the plan. Let's see what happens. We'll hook our ground cable on here. Oop. See once what we got. Catching on my clamp down here. Put the ground right on the sprocket, maybe. All right. Let's roll it around. There we go. Let's try it. See how it comes out. Of course, my splatter shield can't quit working. Alright. See what happens here. I got a little bad spot over here. We're gonna go over that again, I think. Almost as easy just to do it rather than try and spin the thing, just do it all at one shot. I don't know. Only time will tell. It's not the best weld, but I think it'll hold. Good penetration into the shaft and some good penetration into the sprocket, so I think it'll hold. Well, ain't much to this, but get it cleaned up a little bit, get some of the boogers off of there, and we'll call it good. I do want to try to, like I said, these are a little over $100 a piece. I do want to try to cut the welds off of one of these and see if I can get that sprocket off of there. Kind of to see if I can maybe make them for less than $100. I don't think so. There'll be a little bit of work there to thread and turn them shafts down, but if I gotta buy a sprocket, they're probably, I'm gonna say $25. Piece of shafting, I think I seen a three foot piece of 1-inch shafting is like 50 bucks. So that would make 3 of these easily, but anyway, just a little short one today. Commenting if you will, give me a thumbs up, and we'll just carry on to the next one. I'll bring you back if I turn them welds off them other sprockets to see how that goes. All right, Ed's Metalwork signing out.